Hello dear students, welcome to the second part of chapter 13 surface areas and volumes. Students, in the last part of the video we have discussed about two solids, one is cuboid and the other one is cube. Okay, and also we have solved two questions of R.D. Sharma. So what we are going to do today? Today we are going to solve exercise 13.1. Okay, so while watching this video, just keep your NCERT book with you so that you can read the question from there, because I'm not going to write the questions on the board. Okay, so you have to keep your NCERT book with you. The questions you will see from there. Okay, and here I am going to tell you about the solution of the question. Okay, and one more thing is, students, whatever the topics I am just teaching you, just try to do the practice of the exercise and the questions related to that. Okay, because if you will do the practice, you will have your doubts and you can clear your doubts in your classes. Okay, now coming to the question number first. The question first is what? The question first of exercise is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. The very first question of exercise 13.1 is a plastic box is there whose length is given 1.5 meter, breadth is given 1.25 meter, and depth means height, you can say height is given 65 centimeter. Okay, and it is said in the question that it is to be open from the top, means a box is there which is open from the top. So students, we know very well that a box will have 6 surfaces, top and bottom, okay, and 4 side walls. But this box is what? This box is open from the top. So how many walls will be there? Only 5 walls will be there. Okay, 4 side walls and 1 base, 1 bottom is there. Okay, so what we have to find here, we have to determine the area of the sheet required for making the box and the cost of the sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter of cost rupees 20, means cost is given rupees 20 per meter square. Okay, so students, how we'll solve this question? Firstly, let us understand it by figure. So in the figure it is said that this box is opened from the top. Okay, so if it is opened from the top, so how many walls will be there in this box? Total 6 walls is there in the box, but this box is opened from the top, so this area will not be counted. Only 5 walls will be there. In this box 5 walls will be there, and this is open from the top. This box is open from the top. So what we will do, students, we will find the area. See, 2 questions are there. First question is we have to find the area of the sheet required to cover this box. Okay, so in that case we'll leave the area of the top. Okay, and the second thing is what? Second thing, we have to find the cost. Okay, so that we will do also. See, firstly what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change the unit. See, here it is centimeter and here it is meters. So what I'm going to do, I'm just changing the units of these two so that all the 3 will remain in the same unit. Okay, so you know very well, students, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if here it is 1.5 meter, then it will be 150 centimeter, and if here it is 1.25 meter, then it will be 125 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the area of the sheet required. Area of the sheet, the first part, the area of the sheet required. So students, the area of the sheet required will be the area of 4 walls plus area of base. Okay students, this concept you have to understand. We have to find the area of the sheet required to cover this box. Okay, so that will be equal to the 4 side walls. Okay, 4 side walls, area of 4 side walls plus area of base, because the area of the top will not be counted because the box is open from the top. Okay, so how we will find the area of 4 walls? You know very well that when we were discussing about cuboid, I have told you that what is the formula for area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls means lateral surface area of the cuboid, and the lateral surface area of the cuboid is what? 2 into L plus B into H plus area of base. Area of base is what? Base is what? L, B and H is here height. Okay, so area of the base is only made of L and B, so it will be LB. Okay, so now students, we have to solve it. 2 L is what? 115 centimeter, B is what? 125 centimeter and H is what? 65 centimeter plus LB means 150 into 125. So this we have to solve. 2 into 150 plus 125. So how much it will be? 150 plus 125, it will be 275 into 65 plus, here you have to solve it. See, 15 5 is 75, 15 2s are 30 and 37 37, 15 1s are 15 and 3 18, 1 0 will be there. Okay, and here you have to multiply it by 2 into 65, that is 130 into 275 plus 18,750. You have to multiply it. 13 5s are 65, 13 7s are 91 and 91 and 6 97, 13 2s are 26, 26 and 9 35. So 3575 plus 18,750. Just add these two. 505. Okay, 77505 7512. Okay, and 516 6713. Carry 1. 3 38 11 11 and 1 12. Okay, and then 1 1 2. So it is like 2 2 3 2 5. When you will add, it will be 2 2 3 2 5. Okay. So this is in centimeter square. So students, if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, and then 1 centimeter square will be 1 upon 10,000 meter square. Okay, so we have to change it in meter square. So if we change it in meter square, it will be, we have to divide it by 10,000. So it is the answer of the first part, that how much area it will cover. Students, one thing I have left here. See, it is not 13, it is 130. So 1 0 will also be there. So here will be 1 0, and then if you will add it, what you will get? 0 0 that is 0, 5, 5, 10, okay, carry 1, then 7, 7, 14 and 1, 15, okay, 5, 5, 10 and 1, 7, 7, 14 and 1, 15, carry 1, then 5 and 8, 13, 13 and 1, 14, so 1 also be there, 3, 1, 4, 4 and 1, 5. So it is 5.45, and when we will change it in meter square, so we have to divide it by 10,000, so that will be 5.45 meter square. This is the answer of the first part, that is area of the sheet required. Okay, for the second part, students, we have to find the cost, that what will be the cost to make cover this box by plastic sheet. Okay, if the cost of per meter square sheet is 20 rupees. Okay, so only we have to do is what, area, we have to multiply the area of the box, okay, to the cost, that is 20. So area is what, 5.45, and we have to multiply it by 20. Then you know very well that one decimal will be shifted, it will be like 54.5 into 2. Okay, because this 0 balanced this decimal and this decimal shift one place. So 54.5 into 2, it will be 5 2s are 10, and then 2 4s are 8, 1 9, and 2 5s are 10, and 10 and 1 11. 2 5s are 10. Okay, not 11, only 10. So it is rupees 109. This is your answer. So students, you are required to pause the video and note it down, the solution of this question. The concept is only here, that area of the sheet required is equal to area of the 4 side walls plus area of the base. Okay, and rest are the calculation. Coming to the second question, students. Second question is what? Second question is, the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So students, try to understand. This question is exactly like the first question. Okay, in the first question, one box was there and it is said that box is opened from the top. Okay, in this question, what it is said? In this question, it is said that there is a room, and in the room there are 4 side walls are there and one ceiling that you have to whitewash. Okay, in this room, what you have to whitewash? You have to whitewash 4 side walls and the ceiling of the room. Okay, the ceiling of the room. So what surface you will leave in the room? The floor you will leave. Okay, so again students, you know very well that in one cuboid total 6 surfaces are there. Okay, and in for this room you have to take what? You have to whitewash the 4 side walls and the ceiling. So again you have 5 surfaces, and for the 5 surfaces, what area you will take? As we have done in the last question, that area of the room that is to be whitewashed is equal to, okay, area of the 4 side walls plus area of the ceiling. Okay, so this concept you will use for the question number 2. Coming to question number 3, students, the question 3 is what? The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. Okay, so one rectangular hall is there. In that hall, the perimeter of the floor, perimeter of the floor is given 250 meter. So students, what will be the formula for perimeter, if a rectangular hall is there, then what will be the formula for perimeter? We know very well the rectangular surface will have the perimeter 2 into L plus B. Okay, it is the formula for perimeter of the rectangle 2 into L plus B, and it is given 250 meter. What else is given in the question? It is also said that if the cost of painting 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square. Okay, cost is given. Cost of painting 4 walls. Okay, so it is given rupees 15,000. Rupees 15,000. Okay, and the cost of painting, students, you know very well that how we will get the total cost price. How we will get the total cost price? If we multiply the area into cost per meter square, then we will get the total cost, and the total cost is given 15,000. Okay, when we get the value of the area, and if we multiply area into the cost per unit square, then we will get the total cost. Okay, and in this question it is not given that what is area, okay, but it is given that what is the cost per meter square and what is the total cost. So basically here what we have to do, we have to find the area. Okay, and then we relate that area to find the height of the rectangular hall. Okay, see students, the area of the 4 side walls, the hall is in the form of cuboid. Okay, and we have to find the area for 4 walls. Then the formula for area of 4 walls is what? 2 into L plus B into H. Okay, area of 4 side walls is equal to what? 2 into L plus B into H. We have studied this formula when we were studying the topic cuboid. Okay, and cost per meter square, it is given that rupees 10 per meter square, the cost is given. Okay, and here it is 15,000. Students, in this equation we have to find this value of H. How we will find this value of H? See, suppose that it is your equation number 1. So from equation number 1, can we find the value, can we put the value of 2 into L plus B, that is 250, can we put it here? Okay, surely we can put. So we will get the value of 2 into L plus B, that is 250, and then it is H, then it is 10 is equal to 15,000. Now students, 250 into 10, that will be 2500. H is equal to 15,000. Now what will be the value of H? It will be 15,000 upon 250, and 1 0 is also there. So 0 0 0 0 will cancel out, and 25 into 6 means H is equal to 6. 25 6 are 150. So H is equal to 6 meter will be the answer of this question. Okay, the concept is what concept we have used? We have used the concept that cost of painting 4 walls is equal to total cost, and the painting 4 walls means we have to multiply the area into cost per meter square. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 3. You can pause the video and note it down. Now coming to students, question number 4, and the question number 4 is what? The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. Okay, so area means in this question what is given? that area can be painted, is equal to 9.375 meter square. Okay, in a container paint is there, and that paint can be paint the area equal to 9.375 meter square. Okay, how many bricks of dimension? Okay, so dimensions of brick is given. Dimensions of bricks is given. What it is the length is given 22.5 centimeter, breadth is given 10 centimeter, and height is given 7.5 centimeter. Okay, it is the dimensions of bricks. So the question is that how many bricks of dimension this can be painted out of this container. Okay, so students, what concept we are going to use here? The concept that we'll use, that area, or you can say, students, let n number of bricks can be painted. Let n number of bricks can be painted. We have to find the number of bricks. So suppose that n number of bricks can be painted out of the paint, from the paint of the container. So this is in the statement form, but when we will write in the mathematical form, then what we will write, that area of one brick, and what we have supposed that the number of brick is n. So area of n bricks will be equal to the area can be painted. So students, area of n brick, what will be the total surface area of one brick? The total surface area of one brick will be 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, and if the number of bricks are n, so it will be multiplied by n. Okay, and area that can be painted, it is given 9.375. One more thing, if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 1 meter square will be 100 into 100, that is 10,000 centimeter square. Okay, in that case, if we change this meter square in centimeter square, we have to multiply it by 10,000, then it will be 93750 centimeter square. Okay, so here also we will write it that 93750 centimeter square. Now we have to put the value and get the result. 2 into L. L is what? L is given 22.5. B is what? B is 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 22.5 into 7.5. Okay, all the values that I have written here, and n is here 93750. We have to find the value of n. Okay, so just try to calculate it. How will calculate? 22.5 into 10, this decimal will be balanced, then it will be 225. 10 into 7.5, again the decimal will be balanced, then 75. 22.5 into 7.5, okay, this we have to multiply. So students, see how we can multiply it in the short form. 22.5, can we write it as 45 by 2? 7.5, can we write it as 15 by 2? Okay, just multiply 15 5s are 75 and 15 4s are 6675 upon 2 into 2, 4. Now just multiply it, divide it by 4. 4 1s are 4, 2 7. 4 6 are 24, 3 5, 4 8 are 35, okay, and 4 8 are 32, 3 is left, 4 7 are 28 and 4 5 are 25. So basically it is 168.75. Okay, you can do it by some other method also, okay, and it is N93750. Now we have to add, just add 0.75 will be there. Now 8 5 13, 13 5 18, carry 1, 6 1 7, 7 7 14, 14 to 16, carry 1, okay, 1 2 3 and 3 1 4. So it is 468.75 into n is equal to 93750. Now just multiply it by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16 and 1 17, 2 6s are 12, 12 and 1 13, 2 4s are 8 and 1. So it is 937.50 into n is equal to 93750. Now students, we have to find this n. So just shift this 937.50 in the right hand side. So there it will be in the denominator, 937.50. Now one thing you can see, students, that here it is 93750 and here it is 937.50. Means difference is what? The two decimal places. So when you will divide it, it will give the answer, that is 100. So 100 bricks. Okay, this is the answer of this question. That whatever the amount of paint is there in the container, okay, which can be paint the area equal to 9.375 meter square. Okay, and if one brick is having the dimension like this, then 100 bricks can be painted out of that container. Okay, now student, you can pause the video and note it down, the solution of this question. Just pause the video and note it down. Now students, as I can see that question number 5 and question number 6, okay, both are easy, so that you will try to do yourself. Okay, just try to solve question number 5 and question number 6 by yourself. I am going to tell you the question number 7. Question number 7 is what? Question number 7 is Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Okay, one sweet shop is there and they are just placing their order, and for that they are making the cardboard boxes. Okay, two sizes of box were required, the bigger of the dimension. Okay, so the dimensions, question number 7 it is, okay, for the bigger box, the dimensions are given. Length, suppose it is L1, length is 25 centimeter, breadth B1 it is 20 centimeter, and height H1 it is 5 centimeter. Okay, and a smaller box, two sizes of boxes are there, one is bigger is to be made and one is the smaller, and a smaller will have length L2 as 15 centimeter, breadth B2 as 12 centimeter, and height H2 as 5 centimeter. Okay, so these two sizes of boxes is required to make. For all the overlaps, the question it is said that for all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. Okay, 5% of total surface area is required extra. Okay, as it is said in the question. So what we have to find, if the cost of cardboard is 4 rupees 4, okay, cost is given rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square. Find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Okay, means 250 bigger box is to be made, 250 smaller box is to be made, and we have to find the cost for that. Okay, so students, how we will solve the question? See what we have to do. Firstly, we have to find the total surface area of bigger box, okay, and total surface area of smaller box, okay. So total surface area of bigger box, what it will be? 2 into L1 B1 plus B1 H1 plus L1 H1 plus 2 L2 B2 plus B2 H2 plus L2 H2. Okay, firstly what I am going to do, I am just going to find the sum of the total surface area of the two boxes. One is of bigger size and one is of smaller size. Okay, so just see how we will find it. 2 L1 is 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25 plus 2 into L2. L2 is what? 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus L2 S2 means 15 into 5. Okay, so how much it will be? 2 into 25 to the, that is 50, means 500, 100 and 125, and here it is 2 into 15 into 12, 180. Okay, it will be 180 plus 60 plus 75. Now just solve it. It will be 500, 600, 725. Okay, plus 2 into 240 and 315. One more time we have to add. Just 180 plus 160. 180 plus 60. It is 240. 240 plus 75 means 315. Okay. So when we multiply it, it will be 1450 and it will be 630. Okay. And when we will add it, what we will get? 2080 centimeter square. For 200, see students, the question was what? The question was that 250 boxes is to be made. So 250 of this kind and 250 of this kind. Okay, that will be, how much it will be? So students, we have to multiply of 250. See, 250 of bigger size and 250 of smaller size. We can take 250 as common, and for 250 boxes we can find the area required will be, 2080, and we have to multiply it by 250. Okay, so how much it will be? But one more thing, students, one more thing. Before doing this, we have to calculate the extra amount. Okay, it is said in the question that 5% of total surface area is required extra. So 5% of 2080. So how much it will be? 2080 into 5 upon 100. So 1 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. 5 2s are 10 and it will cancel it in 4 times. Okay, so total surface area it will be how much? 2080 plus 104, the 5% of this. Okay, so it will be 4 8, okay, 1 2 2184, okay, centimeter square. Now for directly I am going to find the cost for 250 boxes. Okay, cost for 250 boxes. So one thing that we have to multiply this 2184 into 250 to find the surface area of the 250 boxes, and for cost we have to multiply it by 4 upon 1000. Okay, so you can see students that 4 will divide this 1000 in 250 times, and 250 and 250 will be cancelled out. So only what is left? 2184, and this will be the cost for making two boxes. One is bigger and one is smaller. Okay, one is bigger and one is smaller of these dimensions. Okay, and the question it is said that 5% extra area will be there and the cost per 1000 centimeter square is given. What I have done here, one more time I am going to tell you, I have find the total surface area of the bigger box and the total surface area of the smaller box. The sum of these two is 2080. Now in the question it is said that 5% of 2080. Why 5%? Because it is said that 5% area is required extra. Okay, so for that reason I have found 5% extra, and the 5% extra is 104. So that we have to add in this total surface area. So it is 2184. Now we have to find the cost for 250 boxes. So firstly 250 boxes, so we have to multiply it by 250, and for cost we have to multiply it by 4 upon 1000. So it will give the result, that is 2184. Okay, now you students, you can pause the video and note it down. Now coming to the last question, students, the question is, Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car. Okay, Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides of the and the top of the car. Okay, assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter and base dimension is 4 into 3? Students, this question is exactly like the question related to the whitewash the room. Okay, in the same manner, if the Parveen wanted to cover his car with tarpaulin, then 4 side walls will be there and 1 ceiling will be there. Okay, so the bottom means the base you will not count. Okay, and by using the same concept as we have done in the question number in the question related to whitewash the room, okay, you can solve this question also. So students, just complete this exercise and try to solve more questions related to cube and cuboid from the surface area of cube and cuboid from the R.D. Sharma also. Okay students, so I think this is enough for today, and whatever the things are, now after this we will start exercise 13.4. okay, and that exercise is related to the volume of cube and cuboid. Okay, Thank you, students.